Guys, my name is Michael and I'm a junior and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper airplane. So in fact, my favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So first you're going to want to fold the paper hot dog style, then fold the corners in. And then you want to fold the entire thing in half so that the unfolded part is showing. Then you want to fold the corners in again as shown. And then you want to fold the tiny corner at the top, the tiny triangle in, so that it holds the two flaps in. Then you want to fold it in half, and then fold the wings down, as many of you have done, I'm sure. And there, you have a nice little paper airplane. Bye!